Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, a digital landscape filled with potential, innovation, and risk. Picture yourself stepping into a new frontier, where traditional concepts of currency and trade are transformed into a decentralized digital format. This is the reality of cryptocurrency, a world that's been steadily gaining momentum since the creation of Bitcoin in 2009. Now let's get a bit of perspective. What is cryptocurrency? It's a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's not governed by any central authority, making it immune to interference or manipulation by governments. That's a major shift from the traditional monetary system we're used to, right? And why is it relevant today? Well, in a world that's rapidly becoming digital, cryptocurrencies offer a new way of handling money, making transactions and investing. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, Ripple to Litecoin, these digital currencies are reshaping how we think about and interact with money. But here's the thing. With great potential comes great risk. The volatility of the cryptocurrency market is well documented. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. It's a market that's open 24/7, 365 days a year, making it a constant roller coaster of highs and lows, and that's where we come in. We're here to guide you on how to navigate this digital market safely. We'll walk you through the process of setting up your digital wallet, choosing your cryptocurrency, making your first purchase, and understanding when and how to sell. But before we dive in, it's crucial to remember that the world of cryptocurrency is a complex and unpredictable one. While we aim to provide you with useful guidance, we're not financial advisors. Always do your own research before investing. Make sure you're fully aware of the risks involved and are prepared to take them. Remember, we're not financial advisors. Always do your own research before investing. Diving into the crypto ocean begins by setting up a digital wallet. Now you might wonder, what is a digital wallet? Think of it as your personal bank account, but in the digital world. It's where you store, receive, and send your cryptocurrencies. The importance of a digital wallet can't be overstated. It's your interface to the crypto marketplace, your tool for managing your holdings. There are a plethora of wallet providers out there, each with its own set of features. Some well-regarded ones are Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, and MyEtherWallet. But remember, it's crucial to do your own research before settling on a provider. Setting up a digital wallet is usually a straightforward process. You'll need to download the wallet app, create an account, and generate a unique and secure private key. This key acts as your digital signature. Guard it well. Once your wallet is set up, you're ready to step into the crypto marketplace. With your wallet ready, it's time to decide which cryptocurrency you want to purchase. This isn't as simple as picking the most popular one or the one with the highest current value. It requires careful thought and thorough research. Each cryptocurrency is unique, with its own set of features, benefits, and potential risks. Some are more stable, while others can be volatile. Some have been around for a while others are fresh on the scene. The key is to find the one that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Start by researching different cryptocurrencies. There's a wealth of information available online, from articles and blog posts to forums and social media groups. Don't just rely on one source, however. Diversify your research to get a well-rounded view. When choosing a cryptocurrency, consider its market cap, which refers to the total value of all the coins currently in circulation. Generally, a higher market cap indicates a more established and widely accepted cryptocurrency. However, it can also mean less potential for rapid growth. Consider also the cryptocurrency's liquidity, or how easily it can be bought and sold. High liquidity usually means a more active market, which can offer better prices and faster transactions. And let's not forget the importance of diversification. Just like with traditional investments, it's wise not to put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in a mix of cryptocurrencies to spread your risk. Remember, we're not financial advisors. This is just a guide to help you make informed decisions. You should always do your own research and consider seeking advice from a professional before making any investment. Finally, keep in mind that the world of cryptocurrency is constantly changing. What might be a good investment today may not be tomorrow. Stay informed, stay flexible, and be ready to adapt your strategy as needed. After you've chosen your cryptocurrency of interest, you're ready to make your first purchase. But remember, investing in cryptocurrency should be a calculated decision, not a gamble. So take your time, do your research, and make sure you're comfortable with your decision before you take the plunge. Now it's time to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. This is where the rubber meets the road, folks. You've done your research, you've set up your wallet, and now it's time to take the plunge into the world of cryptocurrency. And don't worry, it's not as daunting as it may seem. First things first, you need to select a crypto exchange. Think of it as your digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. There's a wide variety of exchanges out there, each with its own unique set of features, security measures, and supported cryptocurrencies. Some of the most popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. It's crucial to pick an exchange that aligns with your needs and preferences. Once you've chosen an exchange, the next step is to connect your wallet. This process might vary slightly depending on the exchange and wallet you're using, but generally you'll need to go to the deposit or wallet section on the exchange and select Connect Wallet. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your wallet's address. Make sure you double-check this address as you don't want your funds going astray. Now comes the exciting part, making the transaction. Once again, the specifics will depend on the exchange, but you'll typically need to navigate to the Buy section, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, and input the amount you wish to buy. You can usually choose to pay with your local currency or another cryptocurrency if you have some already. After you confirm the details, you click on Buy, and voila! You've just made your first cryptocurrency purchase. But remember, patience is key in the world of crypto. Transactions can take a few minutes or longer depending on network congestion, so don't panic if your new crypto doesn't appear in your wallet immediately. And there you have it, folks. You've navigated the process of buying cryptocurrency, and you've made your first purchase. This is just the beginning of your crypto journey. Congratulations, you've made your first crypto purchase. Buying cryptocurrency is just half the journey. Knowing when and how to sell is equally important. In the world of cryptocurrency, the most successful investors don't just know how to buy, they also know when to sell. And that's not always an easy call to make. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. There are several strategies to guide you on when and how to sell your cryptocurrency. One strategy is setting profit targets. This means determining in advance the price at which you'd want to sell your cryptocurrency for a profit. Having a profit target can help you stay disciplined and prevent you from making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. However, keep in mind that this approach requires a good understanding of the market and a clear financial goal. Another strategy is setting stop losses. A stop loss is essentially a safety net. It's a predetermined price at which you'll sell your cryptocurrency to minimize your losses if the market takes a downturn. This strategy can help protect your investment from major market crashes. Now let's talk about the how. Once you've decided to sell, you'll need to do it through a cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms allow you to trade your cryptocurrency for other digital assets or for traditional currency. The process usually involves placing a sell order, specifying the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell and the price you're willing to sell it for. Once another user on the exchange agrees to buy at your specified price, the transaction is completed. Remember to always stay vigilant. The cryptocurrency market is volatile and prices can change rapidly. Monitor the market regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. Also, bear in mind that while these strategies can be helpful, they're not foolproof. Cryptocurrency investing involves risk, and it's important to only invest what you're willing to lose. Selling your cryptocurrency wisely can help you secure profits and minimize losses. And always remember, we're not financial advisors. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Let's recap the key points from our cryptocurrency journey. We started by diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, understanding its potential and its risks. Next, we set up our wallets, a crucial step that safeguards our digital assets. Then, we moved on to choosing our cryptocurrency. Remember, every coin has its own story, its own potential, and its own risks. We can't stress enough the importance of doing your own research. This is not just about market trends and price charts, but also about understanding the underlying technology and the team behind it. Buying your first cryptocurrency was our next step, followed by the critical decision of when and how to sell. Timing is everything in this volatile market. Let's keep this journey going. Continue learning about the crypto market, stay curious, and always stay safe. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you'll get updates anytime we upload a new video.